Regents exam, Algebra 1, August 2016, problem number 13. The height of a rocket at selected times is shown in the table below. Based on these data, which statement is not a valid conclusion? In this problem, we are provided with 4 statements, and we need to determine which statement is not valid. The best way to approach this problem is to systematically go through all the possible options and make a decision only after we have analyzed each of the statements. Let's start with option 1. The statement reads, the rocket was launched from a height of 180 feet. Let's take a look at the table and find proof that backs up this statement. The data table contains 2 distinct measurements, time in seconds and height in feet. The moment when the rocket launches, the timer begins, so at 0 seconds, we see that the rocket was at a height of 180 feet, so option 1 is a valid conclusion. Option 2 reads, the maximum height of the rocket occurred 3 seconds after launch. Taking a look at the data, we see that the maximum height was 324 feet, and it occurred 3 seconds after launch, so option 2 is a valid conclusion. Option 3 reads, the rocket was in the air approximately 6 seconds before hitting the ground. Taking a look at the height 6 seconds after launch, we see that the height is equal to 180 feet. This means that the rocket is still in the air at this time. After 7 seconds, we see that the rocket is still in the air at 68 feet. It seems that this statement is not a valid conclusion, since none of the data seems to support it. Let's take a look at the last statement before we decide to choose our answer. Option 4 reads, the rocket was above 300 feet for approximately 2 seconds. Let's find all the times when the rocket was above 300 feet. Looking at the data, we see that this occurs during the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th second after launch. This interval spans 2 seconds, so this statement is valid. Having analyzed all 4 options, we can conclude that option 3 is not a valid conclusion.